What's going on, everyone? This is your man Ant with another BT miners video. In this video, we will show you how to join a mining pool. Let's get started. Today, we will get down to the technical stuff and walk through the steps of choosing and opening an account on a mining pool and things you need to get your miner working. A nifty website we like to use is minerpoolstats.stream. This website is great for looking up the most popular pools to use for each coin along with the current difficulty for mining. Once the website loads, you're going to see this list of coins that are mineable. You will notice Ethereum is no longer on the list and has been replaced with Ethereum Classic because after the Ethereum merge, it changed from proof of work to proof of stake, but that's a topic for a whole nother video. The third column here shows the algorithm. Each coin have their own algorithm, and some coins run on the same algorithm like Dogecoin, Litecoin. I really like this site because it also includes information like current market value of the coin, market cap, and 7 days of mining difficult change. For this video, let's select Bitcoin, SHA256, because we are mining Bitcoin. In this section of mining pool stats, we will show you 64 different pools. And honestly, if you look at the top 10, there are some mining pools we can't join. FoundryDigital.com is the top mining pool, but last I heard, they don't allow anyone in. You need to be filthy Scrooge McDuck rich to join this elite mining pool. Since most people watching this video will not have thousands of miners.
Ladies, may we get a word?
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.
To look at some other ones. Antpool is the second most popular pool. It's ran by Bitmain. Since most people buys Bitmain Ant miners, we understand why Bitmain pool is popular. Right after Antpool is Binance, operated by the famous exchange. Then F2 pool and via btc.com. We typically recommend customers to join the most popular pool. It's like buying lottery tickets. The more people coming together to buy and split the win, the higher the chance of winning. In this case, we're going to show you Antpool. Some pools require a couple of days to verify your information. Here's the account that we already set up. At the upper right corner, you will see your account name. This will be your working name. To the left of this is the coin that you want to mine. Right now, it will show BTC. We are demonstrating the Antminer S19J Pro 100 terahash. But if you click down on the arrow, you can choose other coins like Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Dashcoin, etc. So again, we're showing you Bitcoin. Click on the dashboard first. If you scroll to the bottom, you will see 3 miner pool addresses. Miners, regardless of the brand, will typically allow you to put up to 3 pool addresses. This is so that in case one pool is down, your miner was still able to run on a backup pool address. Copy and paste the pool address to the dashboard page of your miner. Antpool has these 3 little squares on the side of that you can click and automatically copy. Scroll up, you can see the chart here. We have been running a miner since 9 a.m. last night. The last 10 minutes average hash rate is very high. The 24-hour hash rate is averaging in the times that we did not run this miner. Once we have ran this miner for 24 hours, the 24-hour average will be a closer number to the 10-minute average. Now let's take a look at the workers tab. Oftentimes, once people who start seeing income from mining, they add miners to their facility. To tell apart the miners from each other, you can put a period and a number after your worker name. We didn't do this for this miner, but if we had to put 0.01 after the worker name, the name here will show 0.01 instead of star. So now you can monitor each individual miner. If we go to the account overview, we will see all the basic charts and information of earnings. You can see that we don't have much on this account because we typically only use it for making videos and testing. We haven't ran this miner long enough to get a payout yet, which out of yesterday's earning is 0. The current account balance and total earning in this account is also shown. After running your miner for over 24 hours, you will have collected a certain number of coins, and you will be able to see that under the earnings/payment tab. We don't have anything under there because we haven't used this account in a while. But if we had, we would have to be able to see what we receive. This is your man, and this is another video from BT Miner. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We will see you next time. Happy mining.